Hello, everybody. My name is Sir Rafael, and I will be teaching you environmental studies for class 4. Now, today we will be learning about food and nutrition. So, let us turn to lesson number 8, food and nutrition, right? On page 52. All right, page 52, lesson number 8, food and nutrition. So, we will be learning about the food we eat and the kind of nutrition we need as human beings. What food did you have yesterday for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? List it down in the table given below. Can you identify the sources of the food you ate in each meal? Meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, the food you ate. Now, there are basically two sources of food that we get from the earth. Okay, we get food from plants and food from animals. Okay, let's look at the food from plants first. Most of the food that we eat comes from plants. Cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, spices, and oils used for cooking are all obtained from different plants. Even the beverages such as coffee, tea, and cocoa come from plants. Cereals: rice, wheat, oats, maize, and millets are called cereals. Wheat is usually grounded to produce flour. Bread, roti, naan, puris, and parathas are made from wheat flour. Rice is a staple or basic food in many parts of the country. It is eaten in many forms in all meals. Oats, maize, wheat, and rice flakes are also eaten as breakfast cereals, right? So many of us may eat cereals a lot, maybe as cornflakes in the morning as a breakfast, or maybe as as a meal. Like if any of you eat rice, right? I think most of us eat rice. Rice also is a cereal, right? Some of us make porridge as well from oats. Oats also are cereals. So the first type of food we get from plants are cereals. Now the next is pulses. Pulses, also known as lentils, include kidney beans or rajma, chickpeas or chana, and all the dals we eat, such as arhar, moong, masoor, and urad. They are a rich source of protein. So many of us also eat pulses as well. If you like dal, right? Dal are pulses, and then also beans. Beans are also pulses, and chana, right? Chickpeas. Those are all pulses. And pulses are a rich source of protein, which we will learn about later. And then we have oil seeds. People all over India use different kinds of oil for cooking food. Oil is extracted from special seeds called oil seeds. Oil seeds are crushed to obtain oil. Groundnut, soybean, sesame, sunflower, olive, and mustard are some of the most commonly used oil seeds. Right? So some seeds can be used to make oils, right? Like we read, groundnut oil, sesame, sunflower, olive, all of these things can be used to make oil, right? They crush those seeds and then they use it to make oil, right? Those are oil seeds. And next we have, of course, fruits and vegetables. Everybody eats fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are important for our diet. They are full of vitamins and minerals and are good for health. Mangoes, bananas, apples, papayas, oranges, and grapes are some of the fleshy fruits we eat. Raisins, cashew nuts, almonds, pistachios, and walnuts are some of the dry fruits we eat. We eat different parts of plants, such as roots, stems, and leaves as vegetables. Carrots, turnips, radishes are roots. Potatoes, ginger, and onions are stems. Spinach and lettuce are nutritious green leaves, right? So we also We also get fruits and vegetables from plants. Fruits and vegetables are another source of food we get from plants, besides all the others like cereals, pulses, and oil seeds. And then finally, we come to spices. Spices are obtained from seeds, leaves, barks, or roots of plants that have a strong smell and taste. They add color, flavor, and fragrance to the food. Spices also help us to digest food better. Cloves, pepper, cardamom, turmeric, bay leaves, and mustard seeds, and cinnamon are some of the common spices we use, right? So those are the kind of foods that we get from plants, right? Cereals, pulses, oil seeds, fruits and vegetables, and spices. And then we have food from animals, right? I think everybody, we all know this. Uh, there is a lot of food that we get from animals. Cows, buffaloes, camels, yaks, and goats give us milk. We make curd, cheese, and butter from milk. These animals also give us meat for our food. Hens give us eggs. Other animal meat that we eat are chicken, duck, and fish. The tiny bees give us honey. So, all of these foods that we get from animals, like milk, cheese, eggs, honey, and meat, all of these things we get from animals. So, the kind of food that we get from nature are foods from plants, which are cereals, pulses, oil seeds, fruits, vegetables, and spices, right? And food from animals like milk, cheese, butter, meat, eggs, all of those things we get from animals, right? So, next time we will be learning about nutrition from food, and we'll come to the end of the lesson for today. And for homework, I would like you to do the exercises on page 52 and 53. All right, all of the fill in the blanks and find the staple grains and name any two grains commonly eaten in your home, and how many types of dal are cooked in your home, and which is your favorite dal. All of those questions, or all those questions and answers, and this one as well. I would like you to fill in the blanks. All right. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.